In questions 42 through 46, you were asked to use the information to write the equation in slope-intercept form. In this particular question, we are looking for the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the line we're given and passing through a particular point. We'll use the 3 steps for this as well. Find m, or the slope, find b, and then plug it in. The slope of the line perpendicular is the opposite reciprocal, so we'll use the 3/2 or 3/2. We'll flip that over to be 2/3 and change the sign to make it -2/3. And then because we know we want it to go through the point 15, 7, we can use the strategy for finding b, where we plug in to y equals mx plus b. So y is 7, m is -2/3, x is 15, and then b is what we're solving for. When we multiply -2 times 15, we get -30, then divide by 3, and we get -10. And then we'll bring down the plus b and the 7. Okay, so -10 plus b equals 7. And then we'll add 10 to cancel that -10, and we'll do it on the other side to get 17 equals b. So we can write the equation of the line perpendicular by plugging in the slope of the perpendicular line and the y-intercept we found. Okay, notice that we didn't use the -9 at all. That just belongs to the original line. Let's take a look at the graph to understand this a little better. When you have y equals 3/2x minus 9, that's the black line here. And if we're looking to find a line that's perpendicular to it and passing through this point, we want it to make a 90-degree angle and touch right here. We can start our equation using the fact that we need to flip the fraction and change the sign. That'll get us a line that crosses at a 90-degree angle. But we need to move this line in order to make it touch this point here. So I've gone ahead and put in a slider so that we can move this line around. So if I move it up, I'm getting closer to that one. And finally, when we get right here at b equals 17, we now have a line that is perpendicular to the given line and passing through the point desired. And notice that if we start at this point and we use the slope of -2/3, we can go up 2, back 3, and we just keep repeating that, up 2, back 3. And every time we do that, it takes us back to the blue line until eventually we touch right here at this point, which happens to be 17, or 0, 17, which is the y-intercept. Right there. Okay, so if we were to graph the line, y equals -2/3 x plus 17, notice now that this line that we just wrote is the line perpendicular to y equals 3/2x minus 9 and passing through the point 15, 7. Okay, and that's why we have the line perpendicular to this equation passing through this point as the equation -2/3 x plus 17.